Now let us start question number 19 of chapter 4, exercise 4 of ICSE class 10th. See, the question number 19 is find the range of the value of x which satisfy minus 2 and 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 and 1 by 3 where x belongs to real number. Graph these values of x on the number line. You see, first of all I have written question again. Minus 2 and 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 less than 3 and 1 by 3 where x belongs to real number. What I have done here, I have multiplied complete by 3 in order to remove the denominator part. You see, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 by 3. So, 8 by 3 less than or equal to 3x plus 1 by 3, 3 3 are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3, whole multiplied by 3. Now, this denominator part will be removed. So, we are left with minus 8 less than or equal to 3x plus 1 less than 10. So, it will be split in two parts. Minus 8 less than or equal to 3x plus 1 and second part 3x plus 1 less than 10. We both solve it. You see, minus 8, once transpose minus 1 here, it will become minus 9 and 3x here. Ultimately, minus 3 is less than or equal to x. Here, 3x plus 1 less than 10. So, 3x will be less than 10 minus 1. 3x is less than 9. Therefore, x is less than 3. So, combining these two, we will get minus 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 3. On number line graph, you see, minus 3 is here and 3 is here. So, 3 will not be included, it will be excluded. But minus 3 will be included. That is why I have darkened this point. So, from minus 3 to 3, but not excluding 3. So, this is the graph of concerned inequation of the above question number 10. Now, solve the graph of the solution question number 20. Solve and graph the solution set of A part is 6 greater than or equal to 2 minus x. Second part is x by 3 plus 2 less than 3 where x belongs to real. You see, transpose this 2 to this side. So 6 minus 2 is less than or equal to minus x. So ultimately 4 is greater than or equal to minus x. So once we multiplied it by minus, the sign of inequation will be changed, will be reversed, you can say. So minus 4 is less than or equal to x. Here x plus 3 plus 2 is less than 3 where x belongs to real. So taking the LCM 3 here, so x plus 6 upon 3 will be less than 3. So x plus 6 will be equal to, just cross multiply it, x plus 6 will be equal to, will be less than 9. So x is less than 9 minus 6. So x is less than 3. So combining these two, we are getting, you see, x such that minus 4 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 3 where x belongs to real. उसी को चलने दे. It's minus 4 here and 3 will be here. So minus 4 is included, whereas 3 is excluded. So the graph will start from this point to this point, complete line, darkened line will be the graph of A part of the question number 20. Now come to the B part of the question number 20. X by 2 less than 6 minus x by 4. Now multiplying both sides by 4. So we will get 2x less than 6 minus x. Transpose this minus x to this side. We will get 3x less than 6, where x is less than 2. Second part, 2 minus x by 6 less than 7 minus x by 9, where x belongs to real, multiplying both sides by 18. You see the LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. That is why I have multiplied complete this left hand side and right hand side by 18. On multiplication we will get the result, that is minus 6 minus 3x less than 14 minus 2x. So minus 3x plus 2x less than 14 minus 6. It will become minus x less than 8. So you see, I multiply by minus 1 to both the sides. It will become plus x and the sign of inequation will be reversed. Here it is less than, now it is greater than. So x will be greater than minus 8. So you can say, just transform it, so minus 8 is less than x. So combining these two, we will get minus 8 is less than x and x is less than 2, where x belongs to real. So you see, minus 8 is here and 2 is here. The line drawn from minus 8 to 2 is darkened. That is why means the graph start from excluding minus 8 and excluding 2. So the complete graph will be the solution for this question. Now come to the question number 21. States that find the range of x which satisfy minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to x by 2 minus 1 and 1 by 3 less than 1 by 6, where x belongs to real. Graph these values of x on the real number line. So here what I have done, first of all I have written the complete equation. So on multiplying the terms by 6, we have, you see I have put 6 outside the bracket. Inside that bracket I have written minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to 3x minus 8. You see I have converted it. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that is 4. And taking the LCM of these two, it will become 6. So 3x minus 8 whole divided by x less than 1 by 6. And this complete bracket will be multiplied by 6. So ultimately we will get the result, that is minus 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 8 less than 1. So in one part we will take half of it, you see, minus 2 less than 3x minus 8. Here I have written minus 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 8, and the other side 3x minus 8 is less than 1. So I have proceeded from this side first. Minus 2 less than 3x less than or equal to 3x minus 8. So transpose this minus 8 to the left hand side. You will get 8 minus 2 less than or equal to 3x. So solve it, you will get 6. 6 is less than or equal to 3x. Therefore the 2 is less than or equal to x. Similarly, in this case, 3x minus 8 less than 1. So 3x will be less than 1 plus 8. 3x is less than 9. Therefore, the x is less than 3. Therefore, the complete solution will be x such that 2 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 3. This can be represented on the graph. You see, 2 has been darkened and the line between 2 and 3 is also darkened, but point 3 is not included. Point 3 is not included, it is excluded, whereas 2 is included. So this will be the graph for the question number 21. Now proceed to the question number 22. Write down the range of the real values of x for which the inequation x is greater than 3 and minus 2 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 5 are both true. X is greater than 3, minus 2 is less than or equal to 3, minus 2 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 5. So you see, x is greater than 3, just will keep in mind, we proceed from this, minus 2 is less than or equal to x, minus 2 is less than or equal to x. Therefore, the solution set will be, for this, it will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now come to this, x is less than 5. X is less than 5. So for this the solution set will be dash 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 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see x is greater than 3. So we can say that 3 is less than x. Here the solution for this solution set will be x is equal to 4, 5 and so on. Now you see these three solution set, we will take the intersection part of it. You see 3 is less than x and x is less than 5. And graphically it can be represented here. You see from minus 2 here, minus 2 to onward. So minus 2 included and onward. For this graph, that x is less than 3 means from this point to this point. X is greater than 3. So from 3 to we have to proceed right hand side. From right hand side of the 3 we will have to proceed. And x is less than 5 means we have to move left hand side from 5. So on combining these three solutions, we will get only 3 and 5. 3 to 5 is the appropriate solution on the graph because it is the intersectional part of these three inequation. So 3 is also not included, 5 is also not included, but the graph means the all darkened line between 3 and 5 will be the graphical solution of this inequation question number 22. Now proceed to the question number 23. Solve and graph the solution set of 3x minus 4 greater than 11 or 5 minus 2x greater than or equal to 7. So you just solve it, minus 2x and transport this 5 to this side, you will get minus 2x is greater than or equal to 2. So minus x is greater than 1. Therefore, once you will multiply it by minus 1, it will become plus. So x is less than or equal to minus 1. Now come to this side. 3x minus 4 is 11. 3x minus 4 is greater than 11. So 3x is greater than 15. Therefore, x is greater than 5. So you see, for greater than 5 means we have to proceed right hand side from 5 onward. And in this case, x is less than minus 1 means we have to proceed left hand side from minus 1. And minus 1 will be included because it is there is a slack inequation. Slack I have given in the introductional part that there are two types of inequation, that is strict inequation and slack inequation. So the less than or equal to or greater than equal to comes in the slack inequation category. So from minus 1 we have to move left hand side including this minus 1. That is why I have darkened it. Whereas 5 is not included. So a blank circle has been drawn. So this will be the graphical solution for question number 23.